Hello everyone. So, yeah, if you have not seen my Instagram here lately, I have moved out of Colorado. Not gonna say where yet, but across the country. It's kind of been a disaster the last couple months. That's why I haven't really been posting videos on YouTube. Haven't had time to edit or anything. Been traveling for over a week. Took it really slow. It's hard to drive cross country with a 1-year-old and dogs and all that. And then it's also just been kind of a disaster going on right now, but I'll get more into that in the future. As of right now, I've got finally getting some time to do some editing, so I got a couple trips, the last couple trips in Colorado, so figured I'd make those videos for you. And not saying that won't be the last ever, but last for right now, because I will visit Colorado again, obviously. Still got family there. Still gonna go there quite often, but you know, just for now, last trips. So went on some smallie trips, because yeah, there's not really a whole lot of smallie fishing where I'm at, if really any. So yeah, anyway, that's what you're gonna see now. So just moved right there. Let's put this aside. Well, we're out here. Good thing I didn't have the camera on. Be pretty embarrassed. We had a debacle already this morning. What do you mean?
I got me a fish.
I know.
Say that.
We're gonna. You can throw this whopper plopper. Or your whopper plopper, whatever. Oh, just got hit. Oh my God. Could you get any smaller? Holy crap. That's not good. Oh my God. The smallest smallie I've ever caught. Yeah? Slow down. Don't pull your rod too hard. Okay, go. Come on. Keep pressure on him, but don't pull, like, don't whip it like that. There you go. Come on. Flip her in. There we go. Yeah. Look who finally caught a fish. And it's a lot bigger than the one I just caught. Which wouldn't have been hard to do. Heck yeah. Now the problem is he's hooked way too good. Go. Bye, little buddy. Thank you.
Oh, mission accomplished.
Yes. Cool. We'll just keep doing this for a while. Yeah. Very nice. That's another little tiny one. I flung him out of the water and he came loose. Poor dude. Traumatized his ass. There we go. Well, that feels better. He's not big, but I'll take him. I'll take him.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, still nothing huge, but hey.
Hey, a lot better than
Yeah, a lot better than the first one I caught this morning for sure. Well, still not catching any giants, but whatever. Steph still got me beat on the day.
I don't think so.
Oh yeah, yours was bigger than that one. Not by much, but I just keep missing it, man. Oh, just got blown up again. Come on. Get it! Like 3 times. Huh? Oh, I just got bit again. I keep missing it. I think so. Oh. Oh, there's another one. Little guy. Sorry, bro. What? Oh, he spit out a... Oh, sorry, dude. He spit out a crawfish. Yeah, when he flew up, he spit out a crawfish. Look at his belly. It just came out. And he pooped everywhere.
Well, excuse you for messing with the
Yeah, he just when he fell, a crawfish came flying out of his mouth and went in the water. A little craw. You got one? Nice. There you go. Keep bringing them. Nice.
decent size.
Yeah. Okay. Throw them in. Yeah. There you go. Biggest one of the day. You guys are the good ones. What the fuck, man? Okay. Oh, stop. If you quit moving, I will unhook you, and you will be free to go. This is probably the one I lost.
Hey, dude.
There you go. That's not too bad. I mean, it's not great, but it's not bad at all. Yeah, biggest one of the day. Yeah. Take off like a rocket.
No, he went straight down.
Oh, did he?
Ooh, I have a taster.
Oh, did you?
What I get for going quick.
Yeah? Nice. Oh, there we go. There's another one. A little better.
Oh.
Not really. Never mind. Super skinny. Oh! Oh! That was the best one of the day. Yeah, that was like a 1.5, 2 pounder. Oh, fudge. You hit it so close the boat freaking short lined me. Nice. Nice. It might be a good one. Yeah, keep them coming. Keep them coming. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. That's not bad, though.
My biggest one.
Heck yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, got him.
Oh, baby.
Heck yeah. That's a pretty good one, right? Oh, shit. Heck yeah. I got it.
Hey.
Nice, man. Long, skinny one.
Hey, buddy.
Lift him. Heck yeah.
Hey. Buddy.
Gotta teach you how to take pictures to make them look bigger.
On the way out.
gotta put your arms straight and back up.
Mm-hmm.
It's always funny when I see guys do that. Like, look at this big one. Oh, it's like a 2-pounder, dude. Oh. Oh, I got him. But he's little. There you go. Little dude got himself in the gill plate a little bit, but he's alright. Oh yeah, he just shot off like a rocket. He's just fine. Oh, got one. Oh god. Just flip him up. Get that damn line. Okay. Oh, at least you kind of unhooked yourself. Good job.
I don't need a picture with him, but...
Look at him!
Oh, he's so cute! Maybe I do need a picture. Oh my god, I'm sorry, mister.
Took off like a rocket, didn't he? Those little bastards, man.
A little side eye saying I hate you.
Yeah.
I'm fucking up this time.
Got him. I got another little one. Oh, nice. There you go. Yeah, pretty good one too. Oh, heck yeah. Okay. Hold on. Got him. Woo, babe. There you go. There you go. You are kicking my ass today. Finally.
Good one.
Finally. Found a good one. Nice. There you go, man. Good chunky one.
Oh, he is a
No, there we go.
chunker.
I got it too.
He's a little chunky dude. Alright, gonna be good for you?
Heck yeah, man.
Well, passed it off there, but he got it. He did it close to the boat.
Yeah, I could have been following it the whole time, though, too. Maybe he's just yawning. You see that?
No.
Ping ponged it.
Dang it.
Oh, there's something moving over there, too. Oh, come on, really?
What? Oh my god, I need a picture. Hold on. Hold your horses.
You better hurry up, because he might fall off, so.
I got it.
Told you I was going to catch one out of that cave. Did you get it? Oh my god, dude.
Jesus. Why is he so afraid?
Oh. I can't even lip him. Look at that. That is the tiniest bass I've ever seen, let alone caught. There it goes, like a rocket. Nope, don't know how much of that we got, but there's another one. Not a great one, but not too shabby. I mean, not too shabby for what I've been catching here lately, right now. But whatever, still fun. Still can catch the nice ones like somebody on this boat. Oh shit, babe. Uh-huh. It's a little baby bear.
I wonder if it's screaming because it can't find the baby. The big one's screaming because it can't find the baby.
Maybe. Oh my gosh. Yeah, and then it sounds like the big one's screaming up there.
Yeah, so maybe they got separated and it can't find it or something.
Uh-huh.
Beautiful. I want to go fun with it.
Yeah. Oh, that might be a good one.
Yeah?
Yeah, it feels good. Oh, yeah, it's a toad.
Oh,
Don't. Gotcha.
man.
Yes. Finally, I've been waiting for a good one all day.
Nice one. Got it.
There we go.
He is a good one.
There we go, finally. Alright, buddy. Thank you. Yes.
Look at that.
Don't let stuff beat me today. So, that's it. Caught a lot. No giants, but caught a lot. All on Topwater too. That's why I like that lake. But also it's quite a trip and all that. But it was kind of the last hurrah for the wife and I to go to that lake. Quite possibly ever, because even if I go and visit Colorado, I don't think I'll travel that far out that way to go back to that lake ever again. So anyway, but that's it. And I should have another one coming next week. Another last trip. That one will be awesome too. Yeah, I'll just leave it at that. But and then I can finally start fishing out here, hopefully. Finally get settled. As you can still tell, I still got a bunch of stuff in the truck. It's just crazy. Yeah. But I'll see you guys on the next one.